smile, your style. Hi, my name is Ros. I've come over to Maltepe Dental Practice from Scotland. The reason I chose this place, well, I actually had provisionally booked another place in Antalya. My friend suggested that I join some Facebook pages after provisionally booking my previous place, and on joining that, Maltepe came up on one of the pages quite a lot. So I inquired this straight away. I got immediate response, great detail of absolutely everything that was required, on everything that would be done, prices, everything that would be taken care of. As soon as I had booked this, I instantly felt comfortable. I had no concerns, no worries. I wasn't nervous at all when I came in. Everything could not have gone better. The professionalism, the dental care, the cleanliness, absolutely everything has been fantastic. It's been an amazing experience and I would highly recommend it to anybody. Doing their research, certainly look into Maltepe. Because the dental work that I had done previously in the UK, obviously I had a lot of crowns originally, which is the reason I came, was probably quite poor, and obviously you don't realise what's underneath until you take it off. And on obviously taking it off, the dentist had recommended what's best. But I also like the fact that they don't just shave away all your teeth and say, right, this is it, this is what you're getting. You know, they discuss with you each step of the way. You know, he stopped, showed me the mirror and showed me what was previously there, which was very little teeth on two of them. I have a couple of posts, which I probably didn't even know I had. They would preserve your own teeth as much as possible. So if I was fortunate enough to have all my own good teeth on the top, I would have obviously had them veneered, but unfortunately I didn't, and I've just had veneers on the bottom. So I was really glad the fact that, you know, people go on and say, oh, don't do this, but I cannot recommend it enough. I've had a great experience. The only thing when I came, I was slightly nervous about the implants because I've never had implants and obviously I needed two, but my goodness, that surgeon is just incredible. It was literally, I was like, is that it done? And it was done so quickly. So my whole experience has just been fantastic, and I would recommend anybody coming over to come here. So the problem that I was having, after I had my daughter, the teeth, either side of my front teeth apparently had, the dentist had said that they were going to go black. I don't know whether it was due to pregnancy or whatever, but he suggested that I get the sort of top 6 crowned. So he crowned all, I think he put veneers on the front too and then crowned the others. And eventually I tried to get sort of crowns across the top. So my daughter's now 17 and I've had them probably, I think I changed them some point in between that, but on total probably, you know, about 12, 15 years, certainly on the top. And within like 3 months, I lost a veneer off here, just after Christmas. A tooth down here had to be extracted, and a tooth up in this back corner, the post just literally fell out. So that was always sort of within 3 months. So looking at dental treatment in the UK is just not affordable at all. We pay so much for everything in the UK, and people think, oh yeah, why is Turkey so cheap? But I mean, obviously I looked into the emails that you guys sent, you know, the reasons are, you know, valid reasons why it's cheaper, you know, the cost of living, cost of materials, labour, all these things coming to Turkey. It's not just a case, and I certainly most definitely, you know, quotes from various different dentists, and I certainly didn't go for the cheapest either. I kind of, you know, went for what I felt was going to be the best service and quality. Well, I think when the nurse went down to get my husband to say, oh, come up, and I think he thought, oh no, what's wrong? He's like, oh yeah, they look good, they look good. So I FaceTimed my friend and she was like, oh my God, yes, they are amazing. She's fortunate, she's got beautiful teeth. Obviously we're very close, so she was guiding me and helping me with everything. But yeah, on the whole, she says they're fantastic, and everyone says that they look natural was my biggest thing. We had the rehearsal. If I was happy with them, checked with my husband, my friend, just to confirm that everything was right, and I was happy to go ahead. So then we signed a disclaimer to say I was happy to have them fitted. Had them fitted. I have had zero pain from arriving. Nothing. Absolutely no pain at all. It's been a really smooth, easy process, to be honest. So we regularly come on holiday to Turkey. We've been to Antalya 4 times, we've been to Belek once, and this is our first time actually in Istanbul, and it's our first time away without the children. We went to the European side and had a shop around the bazaars and things like that. We came back on the boat, which was lovely. The people has been amazing. The hotel is absolutely outstanding, and I love the spa. So yeah, all in all, it's been a great experience for me, and my husband was obviously just trots along beside me, but I think he's glad and happy. So I would recommend any friends or anybody looking for just a few implants, even for just that.